All right, so we're out here with Kyler, finally working on his wagon with him. We got the ECU repinned, or depinned, repinned for the multi-point fuel injection. He did some things in the engine bay, and I think we are finally ready to at least have a first crank. So, yeah, let's put power to it and see what it does.
I'm so nervous today. I heard stuff clicking in here.
Okay.
I don't want to do it.
Just click it over. Don't start it.
I'm not.
See if you get the gauge cluster. Turn the steering wheel. Okay.
Now what?
Press the clutch in and see if it'll... Make sure it's out of gear. Make sure it's out of gear.
It's out of gear. Holy. Oh.
Crank it some more. Just crank it for a little bit.
It was delayed. It scared me.
Okay. It sounds might be in time. All right, now we gotta put some fuel in it.
Dude, it sounds healthy.
Plot twist is just running out on the floor.
I was about to say.
Look, is it?
No.
It's just running into that bone dry empty tank.
Plot twist, you drop it out and it just starts spilling all over my
I was like, please, Jared, get out from under there. Don't stay down there the whole time. I was like, Jared, move.
See what she does.
Main relay's not working?
Yeah, you see how the ECU light didn't go off?
Yeah, the check engine light went off just then.
Did it?
Yeah, it went away.
I would have fired if that was the case.
It'll work this time.
So after some investigation, this ground wire was not connected. So round dose.
Trace.
Hold on. No, dose. It's dose.
Oh shit!
Yeah.
It cycled.
Where's my phone? Is it in there?
Yeah. Oh shit, Jared. I'm gonna cycle it again.
Yeah, we need real pressure.
Oh, Jared.
One more time, just make sure there's no leak. Okay.
B-Series Go Pow! Come on with it! Give me a little.
We'll probably have to check spark next.
Yeah. B-Series Go Pow! Come on with it!
Bless. Please, series, go.
Pow! With bang! Sheesh!
Alright.
Alright, you ready?
Yep. Oh, it's no O2 sensor, I think. I don't know if we did that yet.
There ain't a single one hooked up.
Yeah, that's why it's not running like crap. Alright, so... Yeah, pull that key out, please. We had the fire and order wrong. Got that fixed. Did the ground. Yeah, the internet lied. And... she starts.
B-Series Go Pow!
Oh man, look at all this smoke.
Dude. I was afraid you were about to collar walker that thing and just like, I was about to be like, Evelyn's asleep, don't do it.
Oh, I thought about it, but we need a break. We need a break-in period.
So is the break-in period on these like an old small block, like 2,500 RPMs for like 30 minutes, or?
I don't know. It's definitely not.
I've never broken an engine properly.
It's definitely not redline.
I built it LS and just went drifting with it, you know. So it's a good way to break it. That's how I broke in the 5.3. I drove it around the farm and said, "All right, let's go drifting."
There is a break-in procedure, but I don't know it. I don't want to say bullshit.
Ranger gaps are ready to go.
Oh yeah. Alrighty, so back on the wagon, we got to modify this throttle bracket again. It is too far back and opening the throttle body at like max adjustment. So I'm going to add about 1.25 inches to this part right here, cut it and weld another part, and then that should put us with enough adjustment to dial this guy in. So let's get that off and cut and extended. Alrighty, so we got the bracket made. I still don't understand why our angle right here is wrong. It's like this sensor is not supposed to be here or something. So I need to look up some stock brackets or something. But I did have to push on it and try to get this angle right. But it's like this throttle body is too sunk in. I don't know. I gotta figure something out because I don't like this angle at all. I mean, the throttle still works, but I don't like it resting on this sensor, which, yeah, it's an IAT. So maybe we need to chop this boy up, move it up a little bit. But for right now, we can let it ride because it should be able to drive now. Next is we need to get coolant in the system, so I need to get some clamps for these boys, and I really think that's it. Once we get some water flowing through this, we can drive it. Oh, there is one more thing. Oh. Alrighty, so up under here, we have the O2 sensor, which is way back here for some reason. I need to extend this O2 sensor plug. My plan is to go behind the engine and then up, because right now I have it coming from the front and it's just going to hit the exhaust all day. I don't know if we'll keep this in the future. I really think it's supposed to be more up, the O2 sensor. I don't think it's supposed to be this flat. So yeah, but for right now, to get it running, that's the plan. Extend this sensor and then add maybe like a butt connector right there. Or not a butt connector, but the two little connectors you plug in and out. But regardless, I gotta get that extended. All right, so the time has finally come for Kyler's car to go back home. So I put the hood back on. I loaded up all of his stuff in the back. I got the O2 sensor, which is this guy right here, ran through the back like I said I would. Then I moved to the coolant stuff and was starting to put hose clamps on everything, and then I noticed we're missing this guy, which goes to this guy right here, which is your heater core, which controls the temperature of your heat. So since I don't have that, I really can't move any forward. Also, I notice there's a nipple back here, and I don't have an open nipple anywhere that I can see. So we got to figure that one out too. So now we have to play musical cars to get this guy out, and I want to pull the 240 in. First thing first, is the right-hand drive. This baby always fires up. Such a good car. Oh man, right-hand drive problems. Okay. It's so weird seeing a 240 at my house. We're gonna park this puppy right over here in the grass. Let her run a little bit. Charge that battery up. All right, time to pull Kyler's car out. This thing's gonna be loud. Nice. Couldn't find reverse there. Oh. Now let's do the 240. Oh man, can y'all see the smoke? God bless it.
Looks like Jared's car's been here drifting. Not Colton's for sure.
Well, wait a damn minute. Wait a damn minute.
Oh, here we go. I don't know if y'all can see the smoke, but it is disgusting.
It's pretty smoky. I tell you what, it's like the mountains, Tennessee. Smoky. The bass series went, instead of wing pow, went pop 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 pow.
It's a true story, y'all.
I lost my other mic, so we had to improvise. So, like I stated, I wanted to get this running before this video came out, and you know, it kind of took a while. Wasn't planning on it, but you know, it's whatever. Life happens. We're still going after it.
Busy people, get over it.
Yeah, we're still here. We're still cranking out stuff whenever we can. Pause.
You have to be like, we're here.
Might have to bleep that out.
Mason was here. I would say otherwise.
Yeah, Kaysen does love some tugs, some weekender tugs.
And rugs. Tugs on rugs.
Gotta get a game plan for the wagon now. Probably first thing is to try to get the O2 sensor on, and then see if this thing will stay running.
I was about to be like, which wagon?
Oh. He said which wagon. Yeah, I know that sucks. That one day. Like always, appreciate you watching. I'll see you next one. Peace.
That's a wrap.
I couldn't tell where I had the camera.
Good night.